Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai phi baro ginigilong ki khubor bam dagasngi. UMLA Kamairang constituency uba met ba lingdo olabo jingkli menteri katnat puli puthi rakam isangma menagasngi balang jangkador bar sunrai. Hak kenta jingkali uba met ba lingdo upan jawab no menteri lale hatu ka sarkar ka kintiu kedan ne em ya ka umthrong nongthliu government secondary sha ka higher secondary level. Nagaliang umentri haba jawab ka sarkar jala kan sa shimrai halor ka jingkentiu kerdani ki school secondary sha ki school higher secondary shu umentri katnat puli puthi rakam isangma ha ka sui balang ula ong ka sarkar kan shim katu kat nepor rei kan sa shim ya karai ha ka por ka babiang Ula pentip ru baga jeng terwa ban kentiu kerdan ya ka umthrong nongthliu government secondary school sha ka higher secondary kadang ya chat menta ha ka jeng pinben hadin bala pelong ya ka jeng bishar ka babnya ba ka sarkar kan sa shim ya ka rai la kan wan ra tang ya ka art science la ni commerce stream.
Yes sir. So the reply to question number 32. So the proposal for upgradation of Umtulong Nongtili Government High Secondary School to high secondary school is under process.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister whether the proposal is for all the streams, like the arts, science and commerce?
Speaker, sir, the proposal is under process, and it is not only for Umtulong Nongtili Government High Secondary School, but so after the process is on and after the serious examination, the government will take a call to whether to introduce only the arts, science, or the commerce.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to have another supplementary question. How many government secondary schools are yet to be upgraded to the higher secondary section level?
Speaker, sir, it is on the entire state or under East West?
Yeah, in the entire state.
Speaker, sir, as of now, the government has the 4 government secondary school is under process to propose for upgradation to higher secondary schools. Sir.
I think since we are aware, Mr. Speaker, sir, that after the higher secondary section has been dealing from the college level, so the higher secondary sections is the need of the hour for setting up in different parts of the state. So that's why I'm asking this question to know exactly that how many government secondary schools are yet to be upgraded to the higher secondary section.
Speaker, sir, that record that not ready with me, but however, the 4 government secondary school has under process right now, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know, like, by when this process of the proposal for upgradation of all the government secondary schools, and in particularly the Umtulong Nongtliu Secondary School, be completed?
Speaker, sir, I'll not be able to specifically the time to be told, but will take some time. Sir, government will take it on time to decide. But sir, not only for this government schools, not only for the schools, the department is being analyzed and reaching out that there are many blocks, there are many subdivisions where be it the government, be it the deficit, be it the ad hoc, there are many blocks where the shortage of higher secondary schools. So government is going all out in assessing where there should not be any left out in presence of higher secondary schools. So definitely government will take time on this, sir, for some time.